Hello you guys, today I'm gonna show you how I achieve this blowout at home. Do you see the volume? This is insane. I'm gonna share all my tips and tricks with you because when I discover something amazing, I wanna share it with you guys first. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. I'm gonna start drying my hair when it's about 70% dry. I usually let it air dry when I'm doing my makeup, but if I'm in a little bit of a pinch, I go ahead and use my dryer attachment on my Dyson Airwrap and just dry out my hair a little bit, just so it's about 60 to 70% dry and I can go ahead and start styling it. Now, before you start styling your hair with heat, I have to reiterate that you have to apply your heat protection. Heat protection is incredibly important for the hair. It forms a film on top of your hair so it's not damaged by the heat. So when I come out of the shower, before styling my hair, I only apply 2 products. I don't like to apply a ton of products because then I end up getting a very oily scalp. So one thing that I have to do is a leave-in conditioner. This one is by Kevin Murphy. I really like it. I just take 3 to 4 pumps of this and spread it all over my hair from the mids to the ends. And then I go ahead and use 3 to 4 pumps of my Bare Anatomy heat protection spray. Just 2 to 4 pumps of that. It's more like a lotion consistency, so I just go ahead and apply it again on the mids and ends of my hair. And the good thing about the Dyson is that it doesn't overheat your hair anyway, which is great, which is why this is such an expensive tool. But if you're trying to preserve the longevity of your hair, definitely think about investing in good hair tools that distribute heat evenly and will damage your hair the least. So now my hair is ready to be styled. Let's go ahead and start blow drying. So the Airwrap comes with 4 curling attachments. This is the bigger one. This is for chunkier, looser, beach waves kind of an effect. It's like a very bombshell, blown out kind of effect. But if you're someone with hair that doesn't hold a curl really well, or your curls loosen up really quickly and easily, you might want to try the tighter attachment. This is for tighter curls. And if you have shorter hair like me, I have medium length hair, so this attachment works better for my hair. It holds the curls better and it also gives me a more voluminous kind of look. So when I'm blow drying my hair, I always like to section them out because it makes the process much easier and it gives a more professional kind of effect. And I'm gonna clip this section away and we're gonna start working with this section right here. Now they make it very easy with these because they're marked, so you know which direction the air is gonna go in. And I always want my hair to go in an outward direction, like the wind is flowing, like the Bollywood heroine kind of effect. So I'm gonna start by taking the attachment that is pointing away from my face. And again, working in small sections. If it gets a little bit dry, you can go ahead and spray a little bit of water on it to make sure that it's wet. And then I'm just gonna start this up and start styling. I've used this so many times and I still find this technology absolutely crazy. It works like a curling wand and it just wraps your hair around itself. So much less effort than a curling iron and much less damage as well. Before I go ahead and show you the rest of my blow dry routine, I want to talk to you about some moisturizers that I've been obsessed with recently. The Derma Co has come up with the perfect moisturizers for any skin type. This is the 5% niacinamide mattifying moisturizer with 5% niacinamide and 2% ceramides. This lightweight gel wonder expertly balances hydration and sebum control, giving you 24 hours of long-lasting moisture and a smoother, shine-free complexion. It's your perfect match for absolutely oil-free skin every day. This powerful blend of 5% niacinamide and 2% ceramide repairs and strengthens your skin barrier, fading dark spots and uneven skin tone. Plus, panthenol and zinc PCA work together to deeply hydrate, soothe and regulate excess sebum, preventing breakouts and leaving your skin soft and supple. Unlock your skin's full potential and discover a more confident, radiant you with this 5% niacinamide mattifying moisturizer. This is the 5% niacinamide daily moisturizer with 5% niacinamide and 2% ceramide. Imagine a moisturizer that not only quenches your skin's thirst but also fades dark spots, evens out the skin tone and repairs the skin barrier. That's exactly what you get with the 5% niacinamide daily hydrating moisturizer. This lightweight sensation is specifically formulated for normal to combination skin, providing long-lasting hydration for up to 24 hours. This Aqua Gel Moisturizer is also enriched with a powerful blend of 16 types of hyaluronic acid, pentavitin, vitamin E, and squalane, working together in harmony to deeply hydrate, plump, and protect your skin. The result? A brighter, smoother, more radiant complexion that looks and feels amazing. With its perfect blend of hydration and nourishment, this moisturizer is perfect for daily use. Coming on to my favorite, the 5% Niacinamide Deep Moisturizing Cream. This is a rich and luxurious moisturizer designed for dry to very dry skin. It combines the power of 5% niacinamide and 1% ceramide to fade dark spots, even out the skin tone, and repair the skin barrier. With its unique blend of ingredients, this cream provides long-lasting hydration for up to 72 hours, leaving your skin feeling smooth, soft, and replenished. This cream's potent formula features a blend of 3 types of ceramides, urea, lipids complex, and oat extracts, which work together to nourish, soften, and soothe the skin. Urea provides deep hydration and gentle exfoliation, revealing a smoother, brighter complexion. Indulge in the transformative power of this cream and awaken to a revitalized complexion that glows deeply. All products from the Derma Co are fragrance-free. You can score these and other fantastic skincare items from the Derma Co website at a 20% discount using my discount code. These products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and Purple. The Derma Co is also making a huge difference in the scientific community with their Young Scientists initiative. They have empowered over 20,000 plus students. Each time you place an order on their website, they link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi Foundation. Now that I've shared with you my current skincare favorites, let's get back to my blow dry. Before switching to the other side, I'm just gonna change the attachment, put the other one on here, and then start working and doing the same thing on the other side. Now that the hair is cool, we can go ahead and start opening up the curls. You could set your hair with hairspray. I just don't like the feeling of hairspray in my hair. Oh my god, you guys, look at the volume. If you have like fine straight hair, this is going to give you the most volume ever. It's like a bombshell celebrity blowout. Makes me feel so good. My hair looks like I have 10 times more hair than I actually have because of the volume. I love how this looks. Do remember to try this technique out and let me know if you do. I'm so excited to read your comments. Drop it in the comments below. Are you thinking of getting the Dyson? Do you already have the Dyson? Is this how you use your Dyson? Leave all of that in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.